When I come home after going out, I find that my Roomba, which was supposed to have been cleaning while I was away, is not at its home base. When I checked the status on the iRobot Home app, it said to clean the dual-action brush. Using the history map as a reference, I searched for his location. At first glance, I couldn't tell, but it seemed like he was somewhere in the back of the room. I found Roomba in a corner of the room. I pressed the clean button, then it seemed like there was a problem with the brush after all, so I turned it over.
Hmm? これかな。おお。ああ。なんと。わお。こんなのを食い込んでしまう。こりゃあ、どうやって出してんだよ。おお、出た。この辺に。
Just to be sure, I checked the brush and found that there was some fibrous material wrapped around both ends, so I removed that too. In the end, I only managed to get 3 lollipops and some fibrous rubbish. I was surprised that he ate 3 lollipops. Now it has been successfully restarted.